There's Rocksteady at King of the Pit TV.
There's Rocksteady, King of the Pit TV. Let's finish this record off. We've been listening to Entombed, Left Hand Path. I'm going to finish this off with a little overview and a rating of this record, so hold on tight. This is Premature Autopsy. Come on. Hammer Smashed Face. First riff reminds me of Hammer Smash Face. There we go. You can't say I'm not a metalhead, people. The vocal phrasing, the syllable sounds like Metal Militia. Chrono says, effing Cannibal Corpse stole the riff. 3 responses. Which Cannibal Corpse song? Hammer Smash Face. Oh man, this is true. Yeah, sick. That was a great finish to the record. That was a banger of a tune. That was so high octane. I like that. Proper skanker. Proper skanker. The vocals were alright as well. Like the vocal effect. With it, people are saying it's a bonus track. So I understand, but it's tough because either it works really well, but then again, if it works really well, you can then do the next record with them vocals. So I guess you can put your foot in the water with them. Yeah, I'm not complaining. That was good. That was good. I'm going to do another video now where I overview the record. But this was one of the highlights. This was one of the best tunes on record. No doubt. Possibly the best one. Possibly the best one. Was there a guitar solo in there? I don't remember a guitar solo. Quality. Quality.